Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to unsubscribe from AliExpress emails. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right, and in the top right corner you should tap gear icon. This is settings, and now go to section notification settings. Now we want to enter section email subscriptions, and now you can custom your email notifications. So in order to disable some kind of notifications, you have to just move the slider to the left like this and confirm that you really want to unsubscribe, and decide which emails exactly you want to receive and which emails you don't want to receive anymore. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.